Well, will these be next? If you've been following me, you know that the Ranger RCI 99N4 has been discontinued. We got our last shipment of those in the other day. Once these are gone, there will be no more. You know, the 99N4 is the big brother to this 99N2. Hopefully, Ranger does not get rid of this radio. It's an excellent radio, tremendous receiver, big bold audio. You'll get that big radio sound out there. Alright, anyways, let's get to it. Alan, this video's for you down around Mississippi. Truck here, Truck CB Sales. Let's just get right to it. RF power all the way down. We've got a standard tuning alignment for you on this one. So you got your around 4 watts all the way down. Roll it up. 50 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. Of course, 100 watt slug in the corner. 250 watt slug in average. Top scale. Hello. 120 bird average. Peak power. Hello. 250 on the money. So roll it all the way down. Not that you'll run it that low, but hello. If you decide to put it into an amp like an 8-pill, you've still got that full forward swing. I'd run it somewhere around halfway, maybe 3/4. It's still going to swing its full potential. At the halfway mark, you're keying 40 watts. So that's where I would run it normally. All right, Alan, I'm going to get it down to you, but I appreciate it. I'm your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.